Earlier in the night, Andra text me and say, buy something for yourself. So me just come from the music video shoot. I'm at the outside. Just a mid say, I'm gonna mash up my KFC. Come go get some KFC, you know. Remember say, we have 30 grand on the line. I go try to free my girlfriend and say she eat KFC. Babe, what is? Babe, what is? Babe, what is? Babe, what is?
Stop.
Babe, why we come and see KFC, babe? Why? And juice? Babe, you could cover your step name.
Jesus, stop freeing me.
What frame you? Babe, you could cover your step name. Let me smell them out. Smell highly.
Jesus, stop freeing me.
Babe, but
Jesus, stop freeing me.
with a piece of chicken in your mouth, see? Babe, you could left something for me. You could left something for me.
Jesus, stop freeing
Babe,
me.
me ask you a question, you could left something for
Baby,
me.
never eat that.
So people say, if me trim, she gonna be good with me. Watch this I know.
What the fuck?
We have some stuff right there, so we're gonna test them out. Let's try.
You know, I taste already.
Yeah, how was it by the way?
It was good. It's good.
Okay. Alright.
That's a cupcake.
Cupcake.
You the inner take Jason?
Of course, me take.
Jason wants it me.
No, I want to see the reaction first to it. Hey, go on.
Moist.
Moist. Alright. I own all a birthday cake to you know, so I might make the person that make this sort out to the birthday cake, you know. This shot.
This nice.
You should go on two.
Wanna have another one?
Of course.
There's another one.
I don't know one more. I don't know if it's nice, just ask it twice.
You can't just love it with them or something. Anything you doing ice cream and baking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go on with it.
And the icing in the whole sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
I got your job.
I think do it.
Yes, I just do.
Cake crumbs in a chair.
I'm gonna make that cake crash away.
Yeah.
Oops.
Take it up, Jason. Take it.
Oh, yo, dear.
Yeah, twist it. Oh.
Can't be there meant to pour it, man. I'm not.
May I say, what you think?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Can't see it, so you might so see it.
Yeah, man. Don't back to me. Me take a big piece then. Me do so. Alright. So
Ready?
you go. Where you going with it? When you have food, you know, remember, say me and my name, you know.
What?
Yo! You want to dance on the first one?
Razablade, my God.
Where they pan?
Them say me for call you, they want to hear what you have to say. I say, alright, now I call you. How small is too small for the female? That's our topic. But when we call a male, ask them how big is too big as it relates to the woman thing.
Alright.
There's not a big at all.
Logically, they would have say there is none way too big, but me feel like say you have somewhere it stretch past where elasticity is supposed to.
Logical thinking, yeah.
Yeah, you have somewhere it stretch past where the elasticity is supposed to be at. You see what I say? But
Yeah.
I would definitely say that you see, if me go in and me no feel myself can even hang on pan the banking, you're too big, man.
You're too big.
You're too big, man. You're born with a certain amount of glue grip, and then as you get older and older, and you do more and do more, you get less grippy until sometimes with them do so much that there's no grip. So if you don't have no grip, use poly grip.
Use what?
Poly grip.
If you don't have more grip, you have to use poly grip.
Okay.
I mess like gun.
Yeah, man, because you have to turn off. My main switch turn off.
Main switch then, wait. Oh, see panel box now. Let me see if let me see it.
Probably that's why they come and check it out.
Everything depend on.
Let me try what I want.
Go and do shit. Mary and Nancy went to see. Yo, so it's like all we plan up to go on a familycation or famcation, but so what we did originally stay seem like no power no in the house right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna relocate. Adi. Where is it? What an eventful day. I've been driving tired all day. I'm just want to lay my head to rest. A nice shower, some romance from my wife, and love and comfort and rub down. That's all I want for the evening to go good. And some other true juice. Yeah. Oh, thank you, baby. You make me so wet.
It's crazy.
I know it is.
So people were there, you know. They beat me last night, so I never did like finish up record. I don't know. We don't have to hear my voice right now. It's up on Lush.
Yeah.
Never drive none of them van yet, you know. So I'm going to reverse this. I can't drive up my car. So when you catch it, and see if I have to do it. I can follow on the screen that I can. I don't see nothing.
You don't see no what?
I don't see nothing to say.
What?
No gear.
See them, man.
This
Yeah.
On half overdrive. On half.
Sinky brake and put in a
No,
DT.
I can't tell you.
Alright. Can I put in a deep?
Oh, right there, see that?
Carry it to you. Carry it to you and carry it down. Down.
No, reverse, we are going now.
Oh yeah. You can't tell about dog. Why not you in that?
Yo, see what I'm going. Hold on. No, but you not move down at all.
Dry up and push it down.
No, but you not go up nor down.
That means say good then.
You good then? You what?
He's up a vibrate, can't see Jason. That's supposed to move by itself.
Oh, you not move.
Nah, move.
Hold on,
Alright. Go on now.
Alright, let me put you back in a second. No, move but see that. That's why you catch the edge of it.
Baby,
Be
careful.
It's good, probably I just lazy. Because you have some of them big vehicle lazy, you know.
Careful.
Yeah.
Alright, go on. You're afraid?
No, but me just, I'm afraid, you know. But he just a stop. Come like me, I have to keep literally the car out.
Still sound like one handbrake. Something up, not you?
Yeah, me I say.
Put it down now and see.
You down, you know, you down flat too.
So I go on. Go on.
I just want to Nobody that stop, man.
Can that man if I'm in a reverse, it's supposed to move by itself, not you?
That me I say.
In a reverse?
Yeah, in a reverse and look there.
Put in a D, make we see Jason. We see how fast he's up at 5 here, we see. You nah move.
Nah move.
What's that sitting wrong? Nah move, you just freeze up.
You know, it feel freezish. Sorry.
What we do what?
Don't press the red something, Jason. Just press
don't
up this
press
one. Press, just put down this one. Dry up to you and put it down.
Yeah, but you know, come. Oh, see,
Yeah.
Alright, I made that now. Don't hear me.
Oh, I see how now, Jason. I see how. You see in there, press the red something on the handbrake.
Oh, so that's stuck.
Yeah.
You lock at the brake.
Yeah.
Whatever, baby.
That is, figure out how.
That's my man. Okay. Aww.
How mean Razablade?
It is so sweet. Me I talk to him from he can't drive till now. Baby.
But I drive this still, you know, I like. Get that forward, babe. Yeah, forward. Yo, you're forward with the Lucy?
Me, forward.
Yeah, but forward, we get you video. Tell Eli to forward. Oh, wait. You come back and being gone with this car.
No, I'm going back and doing work.
Yeah, forward.
What we are going to do?
I want plastic bag inside one.
A plastic bag where?
Garbage bag.
Out there, sir?
Yeah, but ask which bag you get it.
Out there, sir, man. Out the front, out there, sir.
At the front. Come here, go on, go, baby. I have a Lucia. Oh, yeah.
You mean?
Yo. Oh, I feel sweet. The breeze are blowing though. Too high.
That's them place there. Yeah.
Outside of them.
Probably we shut off by yourself. I'm gonna say it sound like diesel.
Yeah, but
Diesel shut off by yourself.
is it dark?
Yeah, some of them. What a good man.
When I vlog them, I want to learn how to ride bike too, you know.
Don't go in now, not true. I'm telling you, she could have done it now. I choose no look like I want to, you know. Number one, not possible.
Yeah.
Could have make it prank to the fella and give, say I give the big vehicle, which I can look for the big vehicle.
Oh. Go, man, I'll teach you to drive like this.
No! No.
Come on, me.
Yo, man, I'll teach you to drive, man.
Stop.
No, Lucy.
Hey, you love look car too much, but big car. Come on, this
Man, I'll teach you to drive.
Come, B.
No.
Come, baby.
No.
What's up, Lucy?
B, come now. B, see us boy up about every time. Come now. Come. Alright, man, sit down there. Go on, sit down there. Come on, sit down there.